Hey there, Alex Kidman here with another quickfire unboxing. So yesterday Motorola Australia announced the availability of the G05 and G15 phones in Australia, and today my review bottles have shown up in delightful bubble wrap. That'll be fun to pop later now, won't it? So I thought I'd do a really quick unboxing, and if you've watched any of my unboxings, you know I just go for this. Nothing's really been altered or changed or whatever, so if anything goes wrong or if I cough or whatever, you're going to get that too. But I apologise in advance. Let's have a look. Well, okay, obviously someone else has that. I did say any stumbles are going in this, and I did not lie. But what I was trying to say there was obviously someone else has opened these. There may have been demo units. I'm not sure, actually. Let's have a look anyway. So we have the Moto G15, which is the slightly more expensive, although these are both in the more affordable range of phones. This is the slightly more premium one, still a relatively cheap phone, and it's got its case on it. I'm really happy it's got its case on it because I know underneath there is vegan leather. I'm not a big fan of vegan leather. I think a lot of people are aware of this. The other thing you might notice with this is it's a really thin box, and the reason it's a really thin box is because these don't have chargers in them. Now, Motorola, with its budget phones, has tended to have chargers in there. This one, you just get a USB-C to USB-C cable. So you will need a charger if you've just got a USB-A type charger for this particular phone. But there's the G15 in black. It is in gravity grey. Sorry, not black. That is gravity. How could I not recognize gravity grey? It's so obviously gravity grey, right? Let's open the G05 and hopefully not stumble over our words quite so much. And it tells me this one is in misty blue. I like a blue phone, although, again, this is going to be a vegan leather one, but I'm trusting that it's got the case on it. And indeed it does. That's not a bad looking blue, actually. Of course, lesser cameras, slightly lesser phone, sharper photos. Well, I'll believe that when I see it on a phone that costs under $200, but that's what testing is for. And again, yeah, what you're getting in the box otherwise is pretty simple, pretty standard. Basically just a USB-C charging cable. I better get to testing these. Obviously, my reviews will not appear for a couple of weeks, but at least you now know what's in the box of a phone. To the surprise of everyone, it's a phone. Thanks for watching.